Okay, let's get started with our first part of speech, or word class. I'm going to start with nouns. Nouns are naming words. Have a look on your desk. Paper, computer, pen, lamp, shoes, window, house, street, car. These are all nouns. Sometimes I think it's helpful to think about if you can put the or a in front of a word, it's probably a noun. And that gets helpful as we get a little bit more obscure, because there are different kinds of nouns. So the ones that I just rattled off are called common nouns. They tend to proliferate. There'll be lots of them around. Flower, chair, everyday objects. These are common nouns. They're also concrete nouns because you can touch them. They fit into those two categories. There are proper nouns, which are titles of things, and they tend to be pretty unique. So Polly is a proper noun. Cambridge is a proper noun. Your name, what is it? That's a proper noun. You give proper nouns capital letters when you write them down. And they tend to be unique, or at least in the context of the sentence or the language act that you're involved in. So, of course, there's more than one Polly in the world, but I'm the only one in this room right now, so I'm pretty unique, so I'm a proper noun. Then there are the opposite of concrete nouns are abstract nouns, which are untouchable. You can't really go and get a kilo of them. So things like democracy, love, all the emotions, and the 7 deadly sins, they're all nouns, but they're abstract nouns because you can't put them in a bag and carry them home. June, November, rebellion, all of these kinds of words, they're abstract nouns. I can put the or a in front of them. The June I went away. The rebellion took place. So that's always a really good test with nouns. If you can put the or a, which incidentally are called determiners or articles, we're going to cover them a bit later on, then you're dealing with a noun. So we've covered off common nouns, proper nouns, and abstract nouns, and concrete nouns. So those are 4 groups, and sometimes nouns can intersect between them. Now, I'd love you to write down, grab your pad and your pen if you can, or your tablet, however you're taking notes, and just just pause the video for a minute and write 5 concrete nouns you can touch, 5 common nouns, everyday objects, 5 proper nouns, perhaps people you know, places you've been to, landmarks, oceans, geographical features, and 5 abstract nouns, which are tricky, but see if you can come up with some. And now you'll have a really good idea about what nouns are.